Shop Brew.
So welcome everybody to another sunny day here in West Coast Island. In this video we're actually going to do just a little bit of training. We're going to do some slow riding skills. Just going to head out to one of these car parks. There's a little bit more space so I can go without interfering with traffic too much. So I've got a few bits of gear with me today, a few cones, a few bollards, stuff like that. So if you haven't seen a guy on YouTube called Fast80, his channel is called MotoJitsu. I usually come out over the weekends and do a little bit of slow riding and sort of do a bit of motorcycle training skills. So riding skills are always good to keep the skills sharp. So in this video I'm actually just going to do a couple of those drills today, seeing that it's a lovely day out. I'm not going to head too far from home today, just seeing that I've spent a heck of a lot of time on the road yesterday, just going out to Tullamore doing that bit of shooting. If you haven't seen that video as yet, definitely go check that out. I went up to the Midlands in Ireland to go shooting. So I thought I'd just make a short enough video on this one. Just gonna do a little bit of motorcycle skills riding, some training. So I'm just gonna have a quick walkthrough and just to show you the few drills that I'm going to do. So as you can see just behind the bike, so I've got a few cones set up at the moment. And I'm going to cut through just so I can show you what I'm doing. So as I was saying earlier on in the video, if you haven't checked out the guy called Fast80 on the channel called MotoJitsu, I've taken some of these drills and I've actually asked him if he would mind if I actually just recorded it just for my own purpose more than anything else. Just I keep practicing these drills, so I just wanted to give him a shout out and just say how's it all the way from Ireland, and say thanks for all the stuff that he's doing. So I'm using these drills quite a good bit. So in this video I'm just going to showcase the white belt drill that he's set out. So I'm just going to have a quick walk around and then I'll show you guys what it's about. So on this one here I've got a 40-foot circle and I'm going to be doing 3 rotations in both directions. Then moving on to the next one where the orange and the white cones are. So I'm going to start over there, drive through here at 20 miles per hour, and then as soon as I hit the orange cones here, I'm going to brake as quickly as possible and try and brake within the 25 feet set out from the orange cone to the white cone. So that's the stopping distance, so it's an emergency braking drill. So I'm going to try to do that. Then moving over to the yellow cones that I have set out here, it's sort of a weaving drill. I'm going to start on the outside over there, and then sort of these cones are set 15 feet apart. So it's 15 feet by 3 feet offset, and then another 15 feet, 3 offset, 15 feet, 15 feet, 3 offset. So it's basically sort of a weaving drill that I'm going to go around here. Then on the other side there, I'm going to do the parking space drill. Now unfortunately I don't have enough cones, or I don't have enough space in here to add the parking drill inside here as well. But what I'll do is on the other section there, that's going to be in a different part of the video. So there are a few parking spots over there, and it's sort of a weave in between the parking spaces. But they're on a slight bit of an angle, so it's not 100%, but I can still use the perpendicular line. So I'll show that in a little later on. Right, so as you guys can probably tell, it's a very windy day today, and as you might have noticed, I had to put some rocks down there because as soon as I started marking out and place the coins down, the coins would just fly away all the way. So that was a bit of a mission. It took me a lot longer to set it up than I was actually anticipating, because I had to keep going back and forth and putting stuff down and marking it and then running around. So I'm going to have a quick ride around, just going to warm up the tires a little bit, and I'm going to start practicing a few drills. Okay, so for the first one, trying to get turn into the 40-foot diagonal. So I'm going to do three rotations in both directions. So needless to say, this is a good drill, especially for counterbalancing and obviously a little bit of clutch control. I've got my foot slightly dragging onto the rear brake. So that was at least 3 rotations, I'd say. So it's all about turning the head, keeping good clutch control, a little bit of rear foot braking just to drag onto the brake. I'm looking all the way behind me. Oh, that's probably three rotations there. So okay, so I just did the 3 rotations in both directions. I'm just going to move the camera and then I'm going to do the 3-foot weave as well. Alright guys, so I have the 15-foot by 3-foot weave set up behind me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off here on the outside of this coin. I'm going to weave through to the left, zigzag through to the right, and interweave in between all of the coins, make a U-turn, and then I'm going to come back in the other direction, same thing, and then finish off at the start. All right, let's go. So that's it guys, that's the 15-foot by 3-foot weave. We're going to move on to the next one. We're going to do the emergency stop braking over there. Okay guys, so for the next drill, going to start off, I'm going to go at about 20 to 25 miles per hour. I'm going to hit the orange cones here and I have 25 feet of braking distance. So this is an emergency stop drill. Okay, let's have a look. Okay guys, so that concludes the emergency braking drill. As I said, 25 feet of space at 20 miles per hour, trying to brake between the orange and the white cones there. We're going to move over to the opposite side there. I'm going to set up the parking space weaving drill. Okay guys, so for the next drill, I'm going to do the parking space drill, sort of weaving every second parking space, going up one, skipping one, coming back down the other one, skipping one, going back up one, skipping one. So let's have a look. again, this is the parking space weaving drill. I have a nice bit of control on my clutch. Also dragging the rear foot a little bit on the brake, rear foot braking, trying to control the speed. A little bit of counterbalance as well, looking in the direction that I want to go, nice and smooth, keeping control over the clutch. A little bit of dragging on the brake. Right guys, so there you have it. That's white belt on the MotoJitsu drills. Once again, shout out to Greg there from MotoJitsu.com for all the drills and doing what he's doing for all us motorcycle riders. So I just wanted to do this video. As I said, I'd usually come out here majority of weekends, practice in different conditions. If it's raining or if it's dry or sunny day like today, it's always good to try and have these drills and practice as much as possible, especially if you're out on a motorbike. So this was once again, this was the white belt in MotoJitsu. Be sure to check out Greg on his YouTube channel as well as his Facebook page, MotoJitsu.com. Alright, let's try the 3-foot weave again. One more of the emergency brake. See again, this wind is insane, man. The wind is insane. Not a great one there. Only unfortunate thing about the see how the wind is moving my coins again. Only unfortunate thing about the ABS on this bike is it's very jittery. Much better on this one. So you can see it hits the orange coin there, 25 feet emergency braking distance. I will say it's brilliant what Greg has done on his channel, and it definitely has helped thousands and thousands of motorcycle riders with their skills. So as I was mentioning, this drill here at the moment is the emergency stop drill. So as I said, speeding up, I went way over 20 miles an hour there, right up into the orange coin, and then brake within the 25 meter distance. That's the emergency stopping drill. To go through this as far as I can remember with the white, so I have to go up one, skip one, come down one, up one, skip one, come down one. So I'm going to sort of do that and then come all the way back down again. So let's see, here we go. So once again, nice and slow, heavy on the clutch, a little bit of rear foot braking, looking all the way behind me. Tiny bit of an angle on these ones, but as I said, you get the gist of it. Going up one, skipping one, coming down one. So relying heavily on the clutch, rear foot, counterbalance, counter steering, looking all the way behind me, looking at where I want to go. I'll tell you what, man, if they showed these type of drills all the way when we were back in the day when I was learning how to ride a motorcycle, it would have been so much handier. Definitely would have taught you a heck of a lot more about motorcycles and how to control them, and also just getting a good feel of what you need to do on the bike, and then obviously getting to know your bike. So in some of the other drills that he has, obviously they're a lot more advanced than these ones. So I just thought I'd do a little bit of warming up, just practicing on level 1. So that's it pretty much for this video. Thanks so much for watching it. Hopefully you found some bit of benefits out of it, and be sure to go check out his channel. As I said, loads of other drills and more advanced levels. I just wanted to do my own bit of practicing today, seeing that I was so far away from home yesterday. So I just wanted to stay nice and close and didn't really want to get out too far on the bike. Even got the petrol lights going on now, so I'll definitely be heading home pretty soon, taking it handy for the rest of today. Once again, thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. And then as always guys, sharp through. I'll see you guys in the next video.